Nouns, number. A noun denotes one person, animal, place or things is said to be the singular noun. For example, book, girl. A noun that denotes more than one person, animal, place or thing is said to be the plural noun. For example, books, girls. The formation of plural nouns from singular nouns. We add s to make some nouns plural. For example, flower, flowers, ring, rings, dog, dogs, bird, birds, image, images, bangle, bangles. If a noun ends in s, double s, x, sh or ch, we add es to form the plural. For example, bus, buses, glass, glasses, box, boxes, bush, bushes, pitch, pitches, church, churches. If a noun ends in y and if y has consonant before it, we eliminate the y and add ies. For example, city, cities, penny, pennies, daisy, daisies, baby, babies, lady, ladies, family, families. If a noun ends in y and if y has a vowel before it, we eliminate the y and add s. For example, tray, trays, donkey, donkeys, monkey, monkeys, day, days, toy, toys, valley, valleys. For most nouns that end in f or fe, we eliminate the f or fe and add ves. For example, love, loves, leaf, leaves, life, lives, wolf, wolves, self, sells, hoof, hooves. For words that end in an o, add es to get plurals. For example, potato, potatoes, mango, mangoes, hero, heroes, tomato, tomatoes, echo, echos, volcano, volcanoes. However, some words ending with o have different plurals. For example, photo, photos, ratio, ratios, mammo, mammos. Some nouns have the same form in the singular and the plural. For example, deer, species, aircraft. Some nouns change in an irregular manner. For example, woman, woman, child, children, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, ox, oxen, man, men. There are some nouns that are always plural. For example, shorts, scissors, tongs, outskirts, jeans, clothes. Sometimes the plural is formed by adding s to the principal word in a compound word. For example, daughter-in-law, daughters-in-law, son-in-law, sons-in-law, father-in-law, fathers-in-law, maid-servant, maid-servants. Some similar nouns do not change when they become plurals. For example, one aircraft, two aircraft, one fish, seven fish, one deer, five deer, one moose, eight moose. The following nouns do not have a plural form. For example, homework, money, evidence, furniture, luggage, music. Abstract nouns and uncountable nouns are used only in the singular. For example, I have got enough experience for the job. There is no water in the pond. She gave me a useful piece of advice. Most pottery is made of clay. Collective nouns are singular when they refer to a group as one whole. For example, our class went to the museum today. However, some collective nouns are always used in the plural form and take a plural verb. The sheep are grazing in the field. The people had gathered to hear the leader's speech. Countable nouns. Nouns that can be counted are called countable nouns. We usually write a or n before a singular countable noun. For example, I have two dogs. How many friends do you have? There are at least 30 Punjabi restaurants in Canada. How many candles are on the birthday cake? Uncountable nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted are uncountable nouns. For example, the weather is very pleasant today. There is some juice on the table. Let's get rid of the garbage. You seem to have a high level of intelligence. Measures of uncountable nouns. We cannot count uncountable nouns, but we can talk and write them in units and measures. It is incorrect to ask how many juices. It is incorrect to say a juice, two juices. It is correct to ask how many juice. It is correct to say a glass of juice, a bottle of juice, a liter of juice. We usually write some or any before an uncountable noun.